Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the frustrating problem where Instagram keeps logging you out. Let's go through a few simple steps to resolve this issue. First, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there is an update available for Instagram. Outdated versions can cause login issues, so always make sure you are running the latest version. If you've logged into Instagram on multiple devices, this could be causing the problem. Go to your profile, tap the three lines, and choose Security. Then select Login Activity and log out of any unfamiliar devices. Next, clear the cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, tap on Storage, and from here tap Clear Cache to get rid of any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Next, enable two-factor authentication. Adding an extra layer of security can help resolve login issues. Go to Settings, Security, then two-factor authentication, and follow the steps to turn it on. This makes sure only you can access your account. If the issue persists, uninstall Instagram from your device and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This can clear out any bugs or glitches within the app. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Instagram logging you out. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.